Hello Year 1. This is our last session on time in chapter 16, and we tried the workout last time. I wonder if you got the right answers, and the question was, what time did each of the children leave school? And the answer is Holly left at 1:30, Charles left at 2 o'clock, and Ravi left at 3:30. Did you get those right? I hope so. Now we've got one last thing to do here, and it's a maths journal. I wonder if you can fill in your maths journal, or fill in something like this, or have a go. And it's talking about what you do on Saturdays. Because on Monday to Friday, usually when we're at school, our time is all worked out for us. But on a Saturday, you get choices. So it says here, talk about what you do on Saturday. See if you can fill in something like this. And it says, can you use a clock to show the time? So it starts by saying, I wake up at 8 o'clock, and it shows 8 o'clock on a clock. Here's a clock. Can you show? There's a clock for 8 o'clock. The next thing it says, I eat breakfast at. Now, it could be whatever time you eat breakfast at. Can you show it on a clock? And could you put the hands on draw the hands on a clock too? I watch television at. What time do you watch television at? Can you draw it on there, and can you fill in the gap? I go outside to play at. Can you put the time in there and draw the hands on a clock? If you can do all those, do you think you could tick these, the ones that you can do? I know how to tell the time to the hour. Can you do that? 1 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, things like that. Can you tell time to the half hour? Can you say when it's 1:30, or 9:30, or 12:30? If so, you can give yourself a tick. Can you compare different times? Which is earlier, which is later? Can you do that? Is 3 o'clock before 4 o'clock? Is 3 o'clock earlier than 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock is later than 3 o'clock. Can you do that? And can you recognise dates on a calendar? See if you can do that. Now, the last thing to do today is using chapter 16 on the review. This is on your worksheets, and it's review 16, page 114, 115, 116, 117 to 118. Can you remember all the things we've done to do with time, and can you do those sheets that are on Google Classroom and fill in the right ones? Can you do it without anybody helping you? Have a go. Well done.